what are the most important stock patterns that you should be aware of? There's a lot, but I think that you can narrow it down to the most effective. Right now, obviously it's always changing, and that's why it's good to study the past. I have 5,500 plus video lessons reviewing all these different patterns so that you can see what's worked in the past so you can be better prepared for the present and the future. But what is working best right now is the pattern number 5 from my penny stocking framework or penny stocking framework part 2 guides. This is the morning panic dip buy. Now I have specifically 500 plus video lessons on this one pattern, but long story short, what you're looking for, and I think this is great for people with small accounts especially, you're looking for a penny stock that has risen dramatically over the past week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, a very strong multi-week runner that automatically will just drop all in one morning, 20, 30, 40, maybe even 50%, not on any bad news, just because when a stock that goes up that long, goes up that quickly, people use stop losses to protect on the way down. So when the stock drops, if it drops from, let's say, $4 a share to $3.50 to $3 to $2.50, it can happen all in one morning. And at each of those key levels, people like to use stop losses. So as those key levels are taken out, it's kind of like an inception, like a dream within a dream, and it keeps triggering more stuff. So as the stock price hits these key levels and ideally breaks below them, it triggers more and more stop losses, which are automated computer-generated sell orders. So it's kind of like this tsunami of sell orders that creates massive panic, all before like 10 a.m. Eastern. And I'm talking about companies with no bad news, the strongest stocks in the market, and all of that leads to great opportunity if you can capture that morning panic and you dip buy. The stock can bounce 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% within an hour, within 2 hours, within 3 hours. I've done it literally hundreds of times before. Sometimes I don't catch it at the exact bottom. Oftentimes I do catch it at the exact bottom and I sell too soon. I sell for like 10% bounce and then sometimes the stock like doubles. The other day, some of these stocks actually tripled off their lows. This one pump LRGR went down, it was from $6 down to $1 a share in one day. It couldn't bounce. And then the next day, or like $1.40. Then the next day it dropped 50% in 3 minutes from $1.40 down to 70 cents. And that was the morning panic. Then over the next half hour, it tripled from 70 cents to over $2 a share. So if you can take advantage of that, first morning panic, ideally the first crack on a multi-week runner, especially a pump that has been promoted. The promoters will also look to support the stock just so they don't get investigated by the SEC. But this creates massive panic selling, which creates the best opportunity to dip buy at a very specific point in time. And if you're prepared for it, if you're ready for it, like my top students and I are, in my watch list in the days preceding one of these dips, I'm like, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. And then when the morning panic happens, it is so reliable right now for it to bounce. And that's the best pattern, I think. You buy 1,000 shares, 2,000 shares of this penny stock, you try to make 200, 500, maybe $1,000 in a few minutes or a few hours. And that is nothing great on Wall Street, but it's very good for people with small accounts. You buy 1,000 shares of a stock at $1. Literally, it can bounce to $1.20, $1.30, $1.40 within a few minutes. Nowhere else in the market can you make those kinds of gains. That's what mutual funds try to make over the course of a year or two. So you're using your small account size to your advantage. And this pattern, frankly, has made me millions of dollars over the years added up. $1,000, $2,000, sometimes $5,000 at a time. Hey, Tim Sykes, Millionaire Mentor and Trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.